If you are in need of centerpiece displays where you don't want to worry about getting fresh flowers, not just for the cost, but also for the care of them and making sure that they stay alive, then using artificial flowers is probably one of the best decisions that you can make. Now, this specific set was gifted to me by the seller so that I could show you it close up. These are the blue peonies with the baby's breath. Now, this is the 12-pack of centerpieces, but it also comes in a 6-pack of centerpieces. Each of the peony bouquets are wrapped individually, and you can just kind of fluff them out and spread them out a little bit. But the baby's breath, it is going to contain enough baby's breath in each one of those tiny little bouquets for 2 centerpieces. The jars were really well packaged, so you don't have to worry about it breaking, but the flowers are way too tall for the jars. So you will need to be prepared to cut off the ends, at least of the peonies. You can bend it, but it is really difficult to bend the peonies in particular. Now, with the baby's breath, they are a lot more flexible, the stems of the baby's breath, so I was able to just kind of put them along the sides, and even though they were long, they just kind of bent at the bottom really easily. And I've had a lot of artificial flowers in my lifetime, and a lot of times they will have like hot glue strings coming off of them. These do not have any of that. They are really, really well made, very, very lifelike. They're very beautiful, and I love how the mason jar even has twine around it, so it gives it that kind of rustic feel. So if you're looking for a really cute centerpiece, you definitely want to check these out.